Hi, I'm Nick Winder with Prime Real Estate here in Northwest Indiana, and I want to talk to you about what your options are if you're trying to buy a home but it's overpriced and you're trying to pay with a mortgage. Since banks typically do not lend to overpriced houses, your options are kind of limited. The first option you have is take the bank appraisal and see if you can use that as leverage to lower the purchase price of the home and get it into an area that the bank will lend on. Depending on the seller and how far apart you are, this may be an option you can use. If you're a few $1,000s apart. However, if you're $20,000 or $30,000 off, the bank probably is not going, or the seller probably will not come down, and you will have to move on. The second option you have, if you have the ability to, you can bring more money to the closing table, do a higher down payment, and get the loan value to market value in a range that the bank will go ahead and lend on. With this option, you probably are going to be overpaying for the home compared to what the market value is, so the equity you have in it will not be 100%. However, if it's your dream home and you're planning on staying there for several years, maybe it is a good option for you. Third option you have is just completely move on and find a different home. This is actually an option that a lot of people recommend you do. There's a lot of agents out there that will say this is the best option. With this option, you also can find a different house closer to market value that the bank will lend on with no problems. The fourth option you have is you can wait it out and see if the seller will come to their senses and lower the price of the house. It could happen in a couple weeks, maybe a couple months, maybe in a year, or maybe it won't happen at all. So if you do choose this option, I suggest you also go ahead and keep looking and see if you find something else that you like that the bank will lend on and is in your purchase price or purchase range. So I hope this helped you if you're trying to figure out what your options are. With Prime Real Estate, I'm Nick Winder. If you have any more questions, feel free to call or text me at any time at 219-707-1457, or feel free to send me an email at nicholas@nicholaswinder.com. I hope you have a good day. Thank you for watching.